Hi, my name's Tara, I'm 42 and I'm a photographer. My thoughts on the product's texture were wow. My favourite part about using the Kerasilk products, well, first of all, I loved the feel of the smoothing conditioner when I applied it. It felt instantly soft on my hair, which I've never really experienced with another product before to that extent. But also what I loved was the end result and how easy it was to style. It felt super moisturised, it felt healthy, and yeah, I just completely loved it. My hair has completely changed since using the Kerasilk range, and my friends and my family can see that. And if they ask me what I'm using, I'm really happy to share that secret with them. I can be a bit of a gatekeeper. I like to keep my little tips and tricks to myself, but with this one I can't, because it really has changed my life and I feel so much more confident as a person now with my new soft, bouncy hair. I can safely say that I've found my hero products with the Kerasilk range.